Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. ln8 to the power of b equals to b ln8. So this one, that is about 2 lnx. Number 5 and number 2, we have number 10. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 10 over s dx. This one we have 5 over s. This one we have 10 over s. So we divide both sides by number 2. So 10 divided by 2, we have number 5. This one we change by u. 5 over s dx, we change by this one. The integral of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.